Uh, Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amway Queen demo here. We have two gentlemen sitting here, Ajay ji and Mohan ji. And this is Amway Queen, the cookware, the unique cookware now which you can see. And here is another stainless steel pot. And you see a couple of ice cubes here in both these pots. And now you see the rate of melting. And now I am going to show you both of these together. Find out the difference for yourself, ladies and gentlemen. You see that the Queen has these ice cubes melting much faster, and the other pot, the cubes are just lying there. See the rate and find it out for yourself. Think about it, friends. This is why this Queen is unique. See the way heat is transferred evenly and at a much faster rate compared to the other pot. And this is only one specialty of Queen, and there are many others. Keep watching. One cube is almost done here, where here you have both of them partly melted only in the other pot. The second one in Queen is at the verge of complete melting. In the other pot you still have both of them quite alive and happy. Here it is almost done. Keep watching. Here you go. It's over. And friends, this is the best time when you purchase it for your own health. Goodbye.